Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited code online application na gabanta ikini ki post harum te tomatang ine pule iya gane ka khobor laikam hagbay day bat ka street Meghalaya dengan pule shwa haga ktin English nagata hadin kata ngansa matai pi haktin kasi kamta me yagito gi paralog lane gi khon samla yole se phim sungthu ba ya ktin English te phila ban page yagane ga video na do basdang hadu bandakut khnang ma bintip ke kita gi post bat phila ro ban apply nagabanta kini gi post ki bangan sa pentip shubhi application in prescribed format are invited through online mode only from genuine citizens of India who are domiciles of Meghalaya and desirous to apply as per the terms and conditions of this advertisement for recruitment to the under mentioned post. Online application may be submitted up to 4:30 p.m. on 15th of January 2025 and no application will be entertained after the closing date and time. Name of the post or vacancies: post multitask grateful, number of posts 28 posts. The kani ka Meghalaya Cooperative Banks lane Apex Bank Limited ka code online application nagbenta kinong shnong ke badai pura jong ka state Meghalaya nagbenta kini ki post harum but nagbenta ka last date lane ka jingthap ya ka application ka bakhadu kandei hadu ka por sau shiteng budget janmit kata hadu ka khatsan tarik u January arjar arpsan te ladadon kino ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply palat ya kate ka tarik bat kapor namla shu ban priang ya ka application ki jongpi so nagata ka daw nga ong ye pi ki parlok barok ki bape ya ka video ko jonga hadin ba pilade ban page ya ka video so ba ban apply no nagbanta kite ki post ban ka katang jong kate ki post kalong gumne ka post ka dei jong ka multitasking staff lani grateful but number of posts hakate ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Banks kadon hadu arpu pratli ki post ki pade kita ki jingdon kam ki ba phila ban apply na gabanta ki ki post jongka multitasking staff jongka grateful eligibility criteria the age qualification and experience as on 1st of January 2025 for the above posts are prescribed as under nagamta ka age limit the minimum age kan day khat pras nem shajrong but hadu life host nem apa age limit mo kan day life host nem but ka qualification hangni kan day ka minimum class 8 pass te kino ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka class 8 shajrong kila ban apply nagbanta ka take post but karta ka ba phila ban apply kan day na do khat pras nem hadu life host nem but kan don ru ka apa age limit alane relaxation ka day sans nem nakabanta jungi ki scheduled tribes kamta me ki bedai na po state Meghalaya te namar kata ngong ye pi khatphra hadu life sans nem ngidang la ban apply nakabanta ki te ki post ki bedon hadu arpu pratli hapo ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank te shwa bangin jam shakhman kindiat ki jing batai hak dei bat ki to ki candidates ki bla pendep kamta me ya ki to ki candidates ki bala dep ya class 10 lane class 12 degree shejrong kila ban apply tangba phimdon kamshu ban upload ya ka class 8 certificate ha ka porba phi apply ya ke post hanrei phi ban penibe da ki documents ki ba phi pass ya ka class u ko ba phi pass mo mdon kam class 8 class 9 yo let's say phila pass metric te upload be da ka certificate jonga class 10 lane matriculation certificate lane ki candidates ki bala pass ya ka class 12 ru upload be da ka class 12 but kumta tatar tito mentang ini page hakabe dei bat ka application fee hakabe dei bat ka take post haneng ka bangala de ban pensengo fee application fee of Rs lani rupees 300 only is to be paid online in the case of candidate belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribes OBC or PH the application fee is 210 application fee is non-refundable and not transferable. Fees are to be remitted through NEFT or IMPS online transfer to the account number of the Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited bearing IFC code. The nakabenta ba pinsiw ya ka application fee pa de. Nakabda jungi ki schedule tribes ka application fee kan datang ars pa shipo tengka kawi kapus but piabro ban siu lungba ka online mode hagine ki account number sumha ki candidates page bha ne u account number jong ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank but kumjuru u IFSC code pendap ye kini kenang ba phinla ban siu ya ketika application fee te yolese phi shem jinjar lane phim tip kumno ba phin apply lengba ka mobile phone nga ka pat ye phi sngba ban bu ye ki comments ki jong phi apo comment box section kenang bangen tip hato donna m ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply tang lengba ka mobile phone kenang ba phin khamsuk yolese ka jangai ka cyber lane ki nong penle ki nong pen apply ye phi te subha ban le tang lengba ka mobile phone ru but bantip ya kata ngakwa ban yoi hato donna m kita ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply tang lengba ka mobile phone te ngan sahikai ya kata lada don ki bakwa mo tisngo bha ban pe ya ka video na du basdang hadu banakut ngaong biang e phi sai sin e phi ki parlok lane ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply shisha nagamta ke post multitasking staff jongka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank mo te shishuru nagamta kane ka application fee chisen ba phila dep ban siu phinamla shu ban yo ya ka arspa shipo tangka mo kan mau ha it is non refundable or non transferable amla shu ban panphai la ne ban siu biang e phi chisen ba phila dep ban siu te nakata kadaw sumha ban pule bha ya ki instruction baro lada phinang la ne phisu thu te lada phimsu thu ru nga sumha ban kerpat ye phi bu ye kita gi jingkli ha gi comment box section knang bangan la ban batai la ne hikai biang ye phi sa sin ban hangning in ye page biang nam ta ka selection process kumno ki jit na ka banta phinyo ban tre ha ka te ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank selection process will be like this. The selection of candidate will be made on the basis of performance in the written test followed by interview for shortlisted candidate. The written test will consist of questions of general knowledge, reasoning ability, quantitative aptitudes, and English language. Final selection shall be made on basis of ranking of aggregates marks obtained in the written test and personal interview. Decision of the bank is this regard shall be final. Ti nakabenta ban jit yaki ban sayo tre ha kate ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank pade pihak ban le kini ki test kata written test but kumjuru ka personal interview. Ti ki subject hane kinde general knowledge, reasoning ability, quantitative aptitude but ka English language. Ti kinu ki candidate ki ba score mark bha lane ki ba pass bha ha kini ki test bro atli kinyo be ban rung ha kite ki kam ki bala de bha langba ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank. Hakabede bat ka salary pade hangne kinu ki candidates ki bala shajit nak benta bantre ha kite ki Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank kin hab bandon shwa ya ka training ka ba umduna ya ka khat arbanai bat hapdeng ka te ka training lane hakte ki khat arbanai pinyo ru ya ka jingsiu lane ka salary ka bade hadu ar hajar news pa arphun ru tangka shibnai bat hadin kata kinsa patre ye phi ha ki department jong kate ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank bat ka jingsiu ru kin sabha kat kum ka jingsiu jong ka te ka bank skill te nakata ka daw ngong ye phi kan kham he ban ya kate ka ar hajar hadin ba phila de ban training te sngoba ki candidates bro khoj le bha Tresitom krekot bha khnang ba phinla ban pass ha ki te ki written test ban personal interview keba conduct da kate ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank khnang ba phinla ban yo ban trei ha kite ki department jong kate ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank but nakabenta ban tip benia shishu hakabede bat kate ka post ngasobha ban kerpat ye phi download ya kane ka notification kaba lengba ka link kaba ngan sebu apo ka description box ban lada phikwaru ban apply hi subha ban klik ya ka link kabangan sebu apo ka description box but lada don na pleng jung phi ki bomnang lane ki bom suthu but ki bakwa ya ki jing hikai subha sai sin pat ngong ye phi leave your comments on the comment box section kanang bangan tip bat banganang hato ngan hikai ne em hato dona em ki bakwa ban tip ban apply ye kiti ki post tanggal ba ka mobile phone te session pat ngong ye pi khoblei shibun ya ke jing lut por jung ki ban pe ya ga video jonga te lada pisngo ba kine ki video lane ki notification hakbe day bat ki employment news ki yaram ye pi subhawat namklet ban share like bat khamtam e ban subscribe nagabanta ki latest updates ki banangwan nang ne shakman tangatahi stay safe god bless you